We got a package.
Yes. What a whole thing.
Let's see what it is.
Look at this.
It's from PicassoTiles. What could be in here? So this is a activity table with 4 building boards and 2 storage containers. How cool is that?
So cool.
Okay. So what do you say?
Let's open it.
Okay. It has 250 mini bricks. It has 80 large bricks. And they're showing what's inside. Are you excited? Let's open it. Excited.
Look at that.
You want to take it out?
Yeah.
Go ahead, take it out.
Yeah, open that. And
Look at that.
I even just got this.
What is that?
Oh.
You got to show them. That's a little mini container. What is that?
Oh no!
Show the camera what it is.
Look at this.
You show them these.
Look at these.
Isn't it cool?
And they got a whole thing. Let's put it together. Let's put this together. And Mom, you gotta stop putting it together.
So we are going to put it together. First we have to, let's unbox it.
And look at all these pieces. And look at this. That's a word.
And look, they have it in a bucket container so you can take it outside and use it as a water table. You can put sand in here. And you can also just put the blocks back in there. So easy, very easy storage. All right. All right, so.
I'll put the first hole in there.
Boop. You gotta put them in. Boop. There. Okay. And then dun, 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 dun.
Okay. It's opening.
Oh wait, I forgot. We can add this to the sides. You can put it on whichever side you want to. We're gonna put one right here. And then we're gonna put one right here. You like it, Ashi? Do you like it?
Look at all these colors. I like it.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Okay. We're gonna pour some in here. And as you can see, like the mini side is over here, and I'm assuming that this will be the side that you put the bigger blocks. All right, let's get building.
Three hours later.
Do you like it? Do you like it?
24 hours later.
Is that fun, Ozari? It's so cool.
You can even feel the bit like power.
Wow.
Power
Let us see that. I can't wait to see when you're done.
Okay.
It's gonna look so cool.
Let's take it.
This is what I'm doing so far. I'm just building something. I just found out that you can make your own ball. I took all of them now.
We'll see you together.